Periodical bands of lake effect snow across the area today. Grand Rapids has seen heavy snow at times, low visibility, and then it was just cloudy. And now we're seeing lower visibility. It's about moderate right now, and some very light snow continuing to fall across Grand Rapids. That'll be the case going into this evening. It will continue to lighten. I don't expect much more in terms of accumulations. And an hour ago, Stanton was clear. Now they're starting to see lower visibility as well. More snow continuing to creep in the area. And that's the case across most of northern portions of our viewing area. South Haven up to Fremont, seeing some snow. And this is one line of snow going from South Haven all the way up through Alma, near Mount Pleasant and Big Rapids as well. It's one very light row of snowflakes, and that'll continue to move off to the south and east as we go throughout this evening. And then it'll dry out for our full day on Tuesday. We'll just see cloud cover, maybe a little bit of sunshine early. Our average highs are 33 right now. We'll be getting just about there at 31 or 32 across the area. Wednesday will be dry in the morning, and then afternoon we'll get some decent rain in here. It looks to be moderate to heavy rain at times. That'll transition onto some mix and then snow Thursday morning. But the accumulations are still unknown. The models are not in agreement on if we get a lot of snow. Some models are showing a second wave of snow coming in Thursday afternoon. So it's really hard to tell exactly how much snow we could get from this system. Now, on satellite and radar, most of the lake effect snow is only picking up in northern Michigan and in the upper peninsula. The Grand Rapids model, as I mentioned earlier, our weather radar is still down, so we're not picking up anything, but we are still seeing some light snow. And the future track kind of represents that. So this is from about 10 minutes ago. They are still picking up a line of light flurries. This will continue to move off to the east and bring with it a leftover layer of low clouds throughout the evening and overnight hours. We'll probably see some breaks in the clouds, especially in Montcalm, Ionia, and northern Kent County over the overnight hours. But then going into tomorrow, a wind shift keeps us dry, but temperatures will continue to warm up, and then we'll get rainy on Wednesday. Tonight, temperatures getting down to about 10 degrees in Grand Rapids, 13 in Hastings and Ionia. Teens along the lakeshore as well, some single digits there if you get some breaks in the clouds. So here's what we're looking at Tuesday night into Wednesday. Those mostly cloudy skies hang around. We'll get a few breaks, some higher clouds, and then low clouds build in Wednesday afternoon, early afternoon. That's when we start to see that more widespread rain. It does look to be more north of I-94. Kalamazoo could see some sprinkles, but then this slowly starts to shift to the south and east. We'll get more heavy, more widespread rain throughout the afternoon. And then, depending on the timing of the exact cold front and when we see our shifts in temperatures, is when we'll start to see that transition to some rain and mix. Now, this model is showing anywhere between 11 p.m. and midnight we'll start to see a transition. And the other model, the European model, is showing that we'll get that mix after midnight, and about 3 to 4 a.m. is when we'll start to see a transition over into some snow. So it is really hard to pinpoint exactly how much rain we'll see, how much snow we'll see, and how much precipitation will accumulate going into the middle of this week. But right now, temperatures look to be 46 on Wednesday, 33 Thursday, but that's early. Falling temps all day. We're left into the 20s Friday and Saturday, but we do dry out for the weekend, and temperatures moderating.